Yes. Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jose Martinez Tovar, and this is our presentation for the final challenge.
The challenge that was proposed was to control a DC motor using ROS. This control will be using an Arduino and an external device that will be a computer. Um, it should have a controller. In this case, we used a PI to control our signal be followed by the motor. Uh, The files we used was our input.py that it's in our external device, as well as the controller and our PWM that runs in the Arduino. The first one to get the set points is by the input.py that is sent to the controller, and the controller is the one that gets the feedback from the Arduino and sends our data to be controlled in the voltage in the motor.
Here we have the first of our graphics. This is our results. This is the step function. As you can see, we have a little bit of noise, but most importantly, you see that it's controlled with the step function. You can see that in like the red line is our send data or step function, and the DC motor or the PWM that we're trying to control is the green line that has a little bit of noise. Here's another step function. This one has a little bit of error, but most importantly, you can see that eventually it controls or it settles. And then we have our first sinusoidal function. This is the first one that we made. It's a little bit, it has an error. As you can see, even though our function is a sinusoidal, we are seeing a half sinusoidal that is in a loop in the positive part of the scene. Then we have the actual sinusoidal function. This is the one that was the final we have. As you can see, it has a little bit of error, but most importantly, you can see that it ends up stabilizing. It has a little bit of triangles, as you can see. You see the function being correct, and then you see that little thing. That is the little bit mistake we had. Thank you very much.